What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. We made it. You made it. And I just want to say that I am so proud of you. If you have made it without strangling someone, without going crazy, without quitting your job, without having any type of rages, I am proud of you. I have been out all day enjoying my Friday, this beautiful day. I have not played in the last 2 days because I have been trying to recuperate from working out so much. You guys, my body felt like, and still kind of feels like I got hit by a truck. Like, I think I've been overdoing it at the gym. Between that and walking every day, trying to stretch is just not enough, and one of the things that I must always stand by is to listen to your body. When your body is telling you that you need rest, listen to it. Allow yourself some time to let your body rest and recuperate, because you push yourself too hard and you really can mess yourself up that way. I've been going heavy at the gym like every day for the past 4 days, and I got on like the Stairmaster and I couldn't even make it past 5 minutes. I was just like, you know what? I'm done. Like, I need, to rest and relax. So that's what we've been doing. But we went out today, we ran some errands. We had a nice early dinner outside. We just enjoyed the beautiful day. It was just too beautiful to be in the house. And it's a Friday, so that equals getting out the house. But in any case, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys had an amazing day. I know a lot of you guys are just extremely excited that you are now, looking at the time at this point, clocked out of work. It is weekend mode for you. I hope that you have an amazing weekend. I hope you have a fun-filled weekend. I hope you do something that brings you joy. But today I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about just listen to yourself. Whatever it is that you need, do that. Whether it's getting some rest, whether it's getting peace of mind, whether it's needing a walk to clear your head, or whether it's time for yourself, do that. Because I always say you can't pour from an empty cup. If you have nothing left in you, you cannot be good to anything or anyone else. So it is so super important to take care of yourself. It is so important to not only take care of yourself physically, but taking care of yourself mentally and emotionally. If you have people who can kind of, hold down, house sit for you, or maybe watch the kids for a few hours, just so you can have time to clear your head. And it's not selfish, but you need that time of solitude to make sure that you are clear-headed in order for you to take care of the things and the people that you take care of. You can't be good to those who, you're good to when you're not 100% yourself. And, we want to give so much, and we want to give 100% of us to other people when sometimes we're not even 100% ourselves. So taking care of yourself is not selfish, people. It is not selfish. It is necessary. It is a must. As much as you feel people need you, you need you. So you need to take care of yourself. And I just say that because I had, just me being at the gym, I kind of had a realization when I'm like, you know what, I have goals that I want to attain, and sometimes I overdo it, and I'm like, you know what, I need to take a step back and just allow myself to just relax, let my body recuperate and regenerate, let my muscles heal so that I can come back stronger and continue to do what I do. Because when I'm in like go mode, I just want to hit the ground running, and I don't think about it until I stop. So that's just one of the things that I've kind of been struggling with. My time management is getting better, you guys. Lately, I have been getting up earlier in the morning and not feeling like I have to get back into bed, which is a really big thing, because for me, when I get up early in the morning, I roll around. Like, I have to get up before I get up, if that makes sense. Like, I have to roll around a few times and linger for about an hour and, think about what I want to do, look through my phone, check my mental notes before I actually get out of bed and do what I'm supposed to be doing. But lately it's been pretty good. Like, I've been getting up and I've been feeling like I just need to get up and start my day, which is a good thing. It means that I am starting to form a disciplined habit. And I don't want to break that, because it's something that I've talked about before. It's something that I want. I want to be able to get up early in the morning. Like, lately, the last couple of days, I've been feeling really, really productive and accomplished because I've been getting videos out of the way, and I've been able to enjoy my afternoon, and I've been able, to spend time with Tyrone and actually have lunch outside of the house and doing all these things that we enjoy doing without the worry of work, because we've done what we had to do early in the day. And that's my goal, is to have that type of schedule to where work comes first and we get everything out of the way, and then I can just enjoy the rest of my day doing whatever it is that I need to do that's not work related. So I just want to encourage you guys to take this weekend, take some time for yourself, relax, reset, do something fun. Don't mind the weather. Just do something that's going to make you happy. And just definitely take care of yourself and listen to what you need. I can't stress that enough. We get so busy and we're so consumed by things, and this goes along with what I said before in the video about, canceling out the noise. Sometimes our minds are so noisy that we can't see or hear what it is that what we actually need for ourselves. So allow yourself the time to cancel that noise out, to really dig deep to figure out what it is that you need. What is it that you need to help you become better and be happier and feel at ease and feel safe and feel positive. That's another thing, is to lead your days with positive intent. Start your days with positive intentions and affirm that you are going to have a great day, and do whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that you have that. You can control that. I always tell you guys all the times, you can make or break your goals. You are the reason why you are closer to them or further from them. The choice is yours. We all wake up with choices. We all wake up with the choice to be positive or not, and those dictate how our days go. So with that being said, you guys, I hope you guys have an absolute amazing weekend. I don't know what the weather's going to be like where you guys are, but I think the weather's going to be pretty good where I am. I'm definitely excited about that. So definitely give yourself that time to just enjoy having some self-care. And it's part of mental health. It is part of mental health. Take care of yourself, even if it means putting yourself in a room just with you and your thoughts, or taking a long bath and just locking the door and canceling everything out. That's a form of self-care, because you are taking care of yourself emotionally and mentally, and you are allowing yourself that time to just be in tune with you. So stay encouraged, stay motivated, stay positive, stay inspired, but enjoy yourself. Go do something fun. Get out the house. Don't stay home. Or maybe stay home and just do nothing because you're so busy. Either way, have a great one, you guys. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed all of my motivational videos, go ahead and check them out. They will always be here for you. I do them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes I have things on my mind. Sometimes I just want to talk to you guys. So hopefully either way that is okay with you. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later.